Find consecutive positive integers, sum of whose square is 365. So solution, let the consecutive positive integers are alpha and alpha plus 1. Then sum of whose square is 365. So alpha square plus alpha plus 1 to the whole square equal to 365. Then alpha square plus 2 alpha plus 1 equal to 365, and 2 alpha square plus 2 alpha plus 1 minus 365 equal to 0, and 2 into alpha square plus alpha minus 1 8 and 2 equal to 0, and alpha square plus alpha minus 182 equal to 0. Then and alpha equal to minus b plus minus under root b square minus 4ac divided by 2a, and alpha equal to minus 1 plus minus under root b square 1 minus 4ac. here is minus पहले से ही लगा हुआ है तो उसमें पॉजिटिव हो जाएगा 1 प्लस 4ac, 4a 1 है एंड c 182 है, minus 182. देन 4 into 182 divided by 2a, that is 2, and alpha equal to minus 1 plus minus 1 plus 728 divided by 2, and alpha equal to minus 1 plus minus 27 divided by 2 equal to minus 1 plus minus 27 by 2, and alpha equal to minus 1 plus 27 by 2 equal to 13, and the negative value of alpha is not possible because in given question two consecutive positive integers, so there is only positive integers possible, and then the numbers are, the positive integers are alpha and alpha plus 1. So alpha equal to 13 and alpha plus 1 equal to 13 plus 1 equal to 14. Answer. Next question is, the altitude of right triangle is 7 centimeter less than its base. If the hypotenuse is 13 centimeter, find the other two sides. Then solution. The altitude of right triangle is 7 centimeter less than its base. Then let the base is x centimeter, then its altitude is x minus 7 centimeter. By using Pythagoras theorem, altitude square plus base square equal to hypotenuse square. Then altitude is x minus 7 centimeter whole square plus base is x centimeter to the whole square equal to hypotenuse is 13 square. Then x minus 7 square equal to x square minus 14x plus 49 plus x square equal to 13 to the whole square equal to 169. Then x square plus x square 2x square minus 14x plus 49 minus 169 equal to 0. Then 2x square minus 14x minus 120 equal to 0, and 2 कॉमन लेंगे and then x square minus 7x minus 60 equal to 0, and x square minus 7x minus 60 equal to 0, and x square minus 12x plus 5x minus 60 equal to 0, and x कॉमन लेंगे x into x minus 12 plus 5 into x minus 12 equal to 0, and x minus 12 into x plus 5 equal to 0. Then x minus 12 equal to 0 or x plus 5 equal to 0. Then x equal to 12 or x equal to minus 5. That is not possible because length of the triangle is can't be negative, and so x equal to 12, that is base is x equal to 12 and altitude is x minus 7, that is 12 minus 7 equal to 5 centimeter, and base is 12 centimeter. Answer. Next question is, a cottage industry produces a certain number of pottery articles in a day. It was observed in a particular day that the cost of production of each article was 3 more than to each the number of articles produced on that day. If the total cost of production on that day was Rs 90, find the number of articles produced and the cost of each article. Then solution. Let the total number of articles produced on that day is equal to X, then cost of each article is 2x plus 3, and total cost of articles produced in a day is equal to x into 2x plus 3, and by question x into 2x plus 3 is equal to 90, and x is 2x square plus 3x equal to 90, and 2x square plus 3x minus 90 equal to 0, and we split the term 2x square plus 15x minus 12x minus 90 equal to 0. Then 2x square 6, 2x square minus 12x plus 15x minus 90 equal to 0, and 2x into x minus 6 plus 15 into x minus 6 equal to 0, and x minus 6 into 2x plus 15 equal to 0, and x minus 6 equal to 0 or 2x plus 15 equal to 0, x equal to 6 or x equal to minus 15 by 2, that's it, not possible. Then x equal to 6, that is total number of articles produced in a day is x equal to 6, and cost of each article equal to 2x plus 3 equal to 2 into 6 plus 3 equal to Rs 15. This is the answer. X equal to 6 and cost of each article is Rs 15.